Hi there, my name is Azam and I'm excited to be your instructor for this Excel course. In this course, we will cover everything you need to know about Excel, from basic formulas and functions to advanced data analysis techniques. With over 5 years of experience in online teaching, I've used Excel extensively to manage complex datasets, streamline workflows, and make informed decisions. And now, I'm eager to share that knowledge with you. Throughout this course, I'll guide you step by step as we explore the many features of Excel. We'll start by mastering the fundamentals of Excel, including formatting, data validation, and basic formulas. From there, we'll dive deeper into advanced techniques, such as pivot tables, macros, and data visualization. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced Excel user, this course is designed to help you take your skills to the next level. By the end of this course, you'll have the confidence and know how to tackle even the most complex Excel projects. So, if you're ready to become an Excel expert, enroll now and let's get started.